Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Famitech video tutorial down guys. For this episode, just basically do a video showing you how I repair the inches for this HP laptop. So as you can see, I had to pull the laptop apart. So this is the keyboard section, and this is around the back, of course. As you can see, you're able to see the board. That's definitely the motherboard. So as for the back cover, so this is the back cover right there. So as I said, I had to pull it apart, and guys, and this is the actual screen. So in terms of you being able to open and close your laptop, now the screen comes with some inches. So these are the inches on the screen. So as you can see, the holes for the screw, right? So that is the screen itself. So let's look at where it normally screw down into. So those inches normally screw down to these different sections and the base of the laptop, and that's how you're able to open it. Now as you look at this side, you can see as for the screw holes, they are perfectly intact. Definitely I'm okay, but over this side, that is where the customer had a problem, where all of these three the holder for the screws, they were actually damaged, actually tore completely apart from this bottom section. So what I had done, I definitely repair it by using what is called crazy glue. Now a lot of persons whenever they purchase a crazy glue, they only know of the glue itself inside here. Now this buckle also contains the same type of glue that the crazy glue would be, but just that it is not crazy glue. Now guys, it is very important for you to keep the container for the crazy glue, because guess what, it contains a very important material that help to actually repair this laptop screen. Now don't know if you can actually see, right? So down in the bottom there is actually a brown material down the bottom. It is actually really hard. Now what I've done, I've just simply used a screwdriver to scrape it and scrape it until it form a dust format. Now guys, when you apply that, when you mix that with the crazy glue, with the glue, trust me, it is as hard as a rock. And that is what I do to repair these screw holes for the laptop. As you can see, the brown right around the screw hole holders, right? So that is what I use a crazy section of the crazy glue to actually do. So that is how actually repairing these laptop hinges or screw holder that definitely I realize that they're getting damaged. I mean, very quickly after customer would have purchased a brand new laptop. So I have a second one that I need to repair. So trust me guys, I've been getting those. I've been getting a lot of laptops with that hinges problem. So that's how I use, that's how I fix it. The other option is to purchase the entire section, the entire housing section there. That definitely would have a proper screw holder. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Definitely leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Famitech is out of here.